Let us see how to find the primitive element for Galois field 5. So the Galois field 5 has the elements 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total 5 elements are there. So for finding the primitive element you have to skip 0 and 1. Why? Because primitive element is a non-zero element, and that's why you have to skip 0, and you have to skip 1 because once any power will be 1 only, so you don't have to consider 1. Then you have to check for 2, 3, 4, and you have to take the powers of every element. So for example, if you take 2, then its powers will be 2 raised to 1, that is 2, and you have to take mod 5 because it is a Galois field 5, that means it has elements only 0 to 4. So if any element goes beyond 4, then you have to take the mod 5. What is mod 5? That means 2 mod 5 means you have to divide 2 by 5 and you have to take the remainder. The remainder will be 2. Then 2 square is 4. 4 mod 5. If you divide 4 by 5, you will get a remainder as 4. 2 raised to 3 is 8. 8 mod 5. So if you divide 8 by 5, the division will be 1 and the remainder will be 3. So mod 5 means you have to write the remainder. Then 2 raised to 4, 16 mod 5, 1. So you can observe here that element 1, 2, 3, 4 are represented as powers of 2. So 2 is a primitive element. Then let us check for 3. For 3, you are getting 3 mod 5 as 3. Then 3 square is 9. 9 mod 5 is 4. 3 raised to 3 is 27. 27 mod 5 is 2. 3 raised to 4 is 81. Mod 5 is 1. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 is also a primitive element. Then 4, 4 raised to 1 is 4. 4 mod 5 is 4. 4 square is 16. 16 mod 5 is 1. 4 raised to 3 is 64. Mod 5 is 4. 4 raised to 4 is 256. Mod 5 is 1. 256 mod 5 is 1. So here you observe that it repeats. If you continue, if you take 4 raised to 5, then you will get 4. Then 4 raised to 6, you will get 1. So it repeats 4, 1, 4, 1. So 4 is not a primitive element because it is representing only 4 and 1. Here we have stopped here because all the elements are already represented. You can go further like 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 6. But you will get the same thing here also. All the elements are covered, that's why we have stopped here. So the primitive element for Galois field 5 are 2 and 3. So this is it for the primitive element of Galois field 5. So the primitive element is one whose powers represent all the elements of the field. So 2's powers represent all the elements of field 5 and 3's powers represent all the non-zero elements of Galois field 5. So primitive element is a non-zero element and its powers represent non-zero elements only. So this is it for the primitive element of Galois field 5. So one reminder to all of you that likes and shares are in multiples every day, but you are forgetting to subscribe to the channel, and this may happen because we forget to subscribe to the channel. So this is the gentle reminder to all of you that do subscribe to the channel also, so it will be better for the growth of the channel.